Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okie dokie.
Staying in slow. So if you, yeah.
Wait, you are? You're
Yeah,
singing? Congrats, bro. Congrats. That's awesome. Yes.
Stress off my shoulders. I don't have jobs like you.
Yeah.
You might have.
You let me know when you're ready to move on, and then we can.
My total,
We can let Amanda finish her check.
yeah, I think so. Yeah. We need that unity. We need that. Depending on you now. So maybe yeah. This week for some reason, I believe you back, and I'm like trying to schedule at 7. Yeah. It'll be good. It'll be interesting. So like so. It's not like yeah, the main problem like they really want to. Yeah, you just I'll be like you're gonna feel like assignment. I'm figuring it out. Yeah, and they're like, yes. Tell me some time. Like, okay, so my bad for like it'll be activity. Yeah, I was like, yeah, based on like I need to kind of really how do you running yourself like he's sending us around and he's also doing a lot of stage like a live session before the end of the year. We're gonna send us a recording of a live session. That's what I think will be like I have some live sessions of like when they're.
Do you know how to add somebody to the GitHub organization, or do I just not have permission to do that?
We're trying to. Yeah.
I feel like I just don't have permission.
I probably, because we're the owners. Yeah, I feel like you need to be an owner to at people. You might have
Let me ask you.
those to give you ownership.
Yeah, interesting.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's hit it. Oh, wait, are we good to hit it?
Almost.
Oh, I haven't checked in.
Oh, you can check in if you want.
I can, yeah, I have time.
Yeah, we can give like 5 more minutes.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh, I'm not there. We're not.
Oh, how would I
Or after we present this, or oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just like take your time.
Yeah, she's finishing the activity part, and then we'll present this, and then yeah, you'll be like the finishing cherry on top.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Sorry.
We're here to support.
It's really so like kind of like one of our main principles, and is there like a website that's kind of have that go in like up like maybe like 3 or 2 people, and then that's what we did last year too. That was like the only group I was.
I didn't go to it either, so it's fine.
See, I skipped that one because I was in the Bay.
That one was so you go on the website, you start like one of the choose one of the law. And then
Yeah.
you kind of like find your own different explanation. It's like
Ah.
on the website, find an example that shows
Oh, that's representative of the law. Yeah, okay. That's cool.
I
Yeah,
think you're good to reset and I'm done.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! Okay, wait. The last minute. Yeah, she's good.
Yeah.
What is what?
Oh, lumber. I sound like I have
No, I'm not.
I guess so.
Who knew about the country, how to figure out. But I don't
That
think he was able to get, he was not able to get.
You've been using the app.
No, no,
Not been useful.
Sorry.
Oh, wait, no.
But it's so
I need to make a, I need to make a, wait. Okay, good, it popped up. Okay, good. There's a version of it. I was curious if I need to go into the
I can ask him later. Or if everyone here wants to be.
Oh, open the new app. Yeah, see, I guess I hadn't been. Yeah. I got a bunch of feedback. Didn't pay the first.
And my friend, so we take like a picture every hour.
Hopefully it works, but.
And I got up to 6 p.m. This is coming.
You can turn it off using all the settings and behaviors and
Yeah.
it's all right.
That's, yeah.
I work for it.
Okay, okay.
The mom is Jeff now.
Yeah, I wonder if it's too many options.
It's like kind of weird, that.
It's like
Okay, wait, good feedback. All right.
I love it. Fast. I didn't want to, that's honestly why I didn't. They start to go right because I've been camping. And like, little cowboy.
I think that's like.
That was good. Yeah, like horse ride. That's we're at that jogging. Yes. Like the freak out. So it's really fun. You get to like race around the arena, the different like this is the horseback ride. And, like you get to like there's like trails. Horse drills, so you get to like super side and like you run the horse side. It's like a go-kart race. It's like a go-kart track. Yeah, and I don't have class till next Wednesday. And she's super cheap. But yeah, it's if I think technically it's stopping her. Like if I have my equipment, I have it locked up there. If I took a pump, it's gonna stop me. The horse is right there. I can just get the horse. So like, okay, let's go ride.
And she knows you, so.
Yeah.
Next
I'll ride in them. But it's super fun. So it's been
Next quarter, I am doing fun classes as well. Finally, I'm doing modern dance and
What's
it's kind of like jazz and
And I don't think that they ever.
That's like a mix of stuff.
That's cool. And you already have the dance background. Yeah, that's cool. As far as dancing. Bowling, of course. I took bowling my first quarter when I graduated. A couple guys went to advanced bowling. Apparently you can do like advanced. Like join the bowling team. They know thing. I do.
Question for you guys about the, like advisory. Do you have enough time?
No, Sanjana and they're No, but when they're meeting them, it's probably either they already there or. They was offered, you know?
Well, yeah, no, I just have like, yeah, I'm sure it's super working on. But really, honestly, yeah, or like.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. It's like.
So basically, Sandra, mentioned for basically we can probably do it after the GM meeting, so like maybe. They either just go to like one of the professors.
I made this.
And so them also.
Like a. So trying to get around like the whole assignment thing, so I have like these this database called and on the table so I climbed the boat. And so that like it looks yeah, or like using the
I wanna explore.
We'll see how long I can keep up with like managing this. I can manage the tasks, but I'm not sure about like the sprints. I'll figure out. Let's say that you can manage developers tasks. I mean, you can manage all tasks, but it's like it makes the most sense.
Okay, technically, so they're gonna start doing stuff now, so we're gonna move to our other room, which is,
Guys,
I don't remember which room.
like Amanda said, tech leads, PMs are starting their content boot camp. So thanks
Thank
for
you.
coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, bud.
Wait, you're recording, right?
Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. This time we got it. Last time, no.
Okay, it works.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Good.
Hi, guys.
Awesome. Yes.
We will try to keep this
Short and sweet.
sweet. Might
Maybe-
not be.
Maybe not sweet, but it'll be short. Yeah.
So we're getting technical today. You've done a lot of PM stuff. We've showed you a bit more design, which will also be there, but we're getting into the nitty gritty of React, what the devs will be coding, how it'll look, and how you can pull that up into your own computer so you can check their progress.
Which
So-
is important.
Yeah.
Not that your tech leads will slack off, but it's your job to make sure that they don't. So,
Mhm.
so yeah.
So yeah, React. React is what they are coding on. React Native is the language per se of, oh no, never mind. I know what I'm saying. But yeah, React is what they use to code the website. I know some CS people here already know this, so correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, they code with JavaScript on this, TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. CSS and HTML are more for the front end stuff, and JavaScript and TypeScript are the back end.
Yeah. And you can, I was reading this in the speaker notes. As a business major, this is helpful. You can think of, so the UI, like it says UI with small isolated code called components. You can think of components as like Lego pieces, like little like assembly instruments, kind of. Yeah, like imagine like a button could be like a component, I think, right?
Yeah.
Like whatever, and they sort of encompass this. So hopefully that makes
Also,
sense.
side note, we do have a template for this week, which would be helpful if you guys pull it up. And take notes on there, and the
Yes.
activity will be on there, so, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Each node, is the next part. This is what helps you, this has all the packages in it, which does the backend, not backend, but like other stuff of helping you run the stuff, the code you write, in the most overview of it. Yeah, it helps, as it says, helps you run and test the codes. This will tell you if there's any bugs, and probably debugging. Um, there are debugging like packages in VS Code, where that helps you, yeah. Debug the code. Got any notes? No, okay. Next.js, that is,
Well, you know more than I do, so.
yeah, but I haven't worked with this for a while. Yeah, so Next.js is the next, or the thing on top of Node, which helps you. This is the backend running, right?
It's
I forgot.
it's like flow.
Yeah, backend, yeah. Next, no, wait, this is Next.js is what sort of connects the back end to the front end.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, yes, yeah, routing and simplifying how to, wow, I'm not doing well.
You're good.
It's okay.
Just so you know, if you ever get confused, literally just ask your tech leads for help.
That's what I was gonna
That's what
say.
I did. Like
That's-
when I get confused about technical stuff, I go to my tech leads, have them explain to me, and it's no more problem.
Yeah.
But we
Okay.
just want to introduce all these languages to you so you know what they're working with too.
I feel like, yeah, that makes us look really bad because we can't, or at least I can't properly teach it to you. I was just telling Asta as a business major, you're not really, like, I haven't had to work with it in depth, but I think the most important part is if you know what they're working with, you can ask them about it. And you can ask, okay, explain to me what is Next.js?
Yes.
Or whatever, like, how are you using it? Whatever. And they're going to be, eager to teach you about it. So.
Yeah, basically, like I said, we just wanted to introduce it to you guys so you have some sense of what they might be doing. So you're not just like, oh, what is that?
Yeah.
Never seen that. But yeah, you probably even heard the words Git and GitHub. GitHub, I know many people do mix these up, but GitHub is the platform that you put your code on and everything. That is not what technically you like, I don't want to say work with, but like it says, like Git is what helps you get the code running on your computer, having it installed in your computer, getting the website running from the code on your computer. And then GitHub is just a way to put all this code on a website or online platform, as I said, so you can share it with other people and work on it together.
Yeah, all of these are different platforms that communicate with each other that are all necessary that work together to actually run whatever program it is. So, and they all have different roles. So GitHub, which is like the outward facing, here's my code, talks to Git, which talks to, I guess, like whatever you have on your computer. It's
Yeah.
different. Yeah, exactly. It's like different steps to run what you have. So. Okay.
APIs. This is what helps you connect your computer to the database, which is MongoDB, which is coming of the stuff like if you want to put a picture on your website, this is what you'll be using to show the people around the world. Yeah, the easiest way to put it. I don't know if you guys want me to go more in detail.
That's okay. I mean, yeah, basically, like, yeah, if you have I don't know, the best way I can think of it, especially like in industry, it's like, okay, if there's an external platform that you want to work with, that you want to integrate, if there's like a payment system that you want to integrate, if there's, I don't know, like for one of ours, I actually think it's yours with KFI, but like if they wanted to hypothetically add some type of like AI component where you have to use OpenAI's API or one of these other AIs companies, right? Like one of their APIs, it's how you access their platform, I guess, and integrate it within your own platform. So,
You can think about like when Facebook or like any websites like you're logging in and there's like login with Google, login with I don't know, other Microsoft. It's each of these is actually pulling API from Google and pulling API from Microsoft to verify you as an account. So it is like what you just said, it's an external way of getting the information from an official platform.
Yes. And then, yeah, and then where it gets is these, the external stuff is from the databases, which has all the stuff of, like it says, like creating, reading, updating, and deleting the stuff on your apps. And one of the databases that tech leads will probably be working with is MongoDB. Honestly, yeah, they will have MongoDB, like you install it with the repo and they will have all the data on this, which will be getting fetched using the APIs to work the website.
yeah, and there are different, basically that. You don't necessarily have to worry about it, but in this diagram, it shows two types of databases. So like you have
SQL.
MongoDB and then you have SQL-based databases. They're grouped differently. They work the same, but they're grouped differently. We can explain it more in depth if you're curious. Most of you guys, your tech leads, will be working with MongoDB. Sometimes if the client that you work with is using something different, like last year, my project was working with a SQL-based database. You might have to tell your tech lead, sorry, like in order for us to make the client happy, you're going to have to learn something new. And that doesn't just go for this, that goes for other tools that they might have to utilize. You might have to get a little bit creative, but what they're taught is MongoDB. So,
And SQL.
Yeah.
Logan is teaching them SQL this year as well.
oh, we are.
Yeah.
Great.
They're trying to expand it more. Oh, and like you said, like other stuff. So there's also Express.js, which is another form of Next.js. Yeah, just pull it out. And then activity. Basically we just wanted you guys to know how to clone a repo and get it working on your computer, because that'll, like I said, that'll be helpful for you to like
It's like the most important thing.
yeah. So you can
The most.
so you can see how the website's looking. And yeah, so I believe the GitHub link is on the template.
Yeah, so if you go to the template,
Yes.
you can click on the link. This is really important. Like, I mean, I'm sure the majority of you guys that are in here are, CS or software engineering, which is awesome. If you're not that, or if you don't, more specifically, if you don't have experience, let's do this because this will be very important for you to check the progress on your tech leads. They can also help you with this if you ask them, but we want to teach you now. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we will definitely.
Should we pull that up? Like, do you want to?
Yeah, I was just gonna go around and see people do it. 'Cause
Oh.
I think my computer.
Okay.
I tried to do it
Yeah,
this
that's fine
evening,
too.
but VS Code is being weird to me right now.
Sure. Yeah.
But I can try to pull it up on mine. But yes, basically, if you don't have Git installed,
Yeah, that's important.
that's why I put these little check leads. If you don't have Node, Git, and VS Code, which I hope you guys do, get those installed first. And this you do in Terminal if you have a Mac, or PowerShell,
PowerShell, yeah.
if you have
Windows.
Windows, Dell, HP, all that. Please say yes or something if you get installed, all that, so I know.
Yes.
Perfect. Brian? Great.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the next slide.
Okay.
Great. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Open in Terminal or PowerShell. And then maybe I should show this online, but basically, once you open your repo, I know many of you already know how to do this, but when you click on the button that says code, it will give you a HTTPS little thing to copy. And once you put that into your terminal with git clone, you will be able to have that on your computer, which you can open then on VS Code. So I'll let you guys do that.
If any of that makes 0 sense,
Yes,
please.
please do ask, and I'll come around right now just to see, make sure you guys have VS Code open.
Yeah.
Do you guys want me to play music so it's not so quiet?
And they have access to this on the
Week 5.
Yes, in the template. Thank you, Brian.
Yes. Not the instruction here, but they have the Git.
Yep.
take about 7 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we'll check in.
You guys are awfully quiet today.
It is week 7.
So,
I want
I was gonna say collectively we're low energy, collectively. So
what kind of music we want?
we need to wake up. EDM, no. Rave, no.
Brian's what?
Oh yeah, DJ Brian, wait.
Do you have a Spotify?
Alright,
SoundCloud?
I'm on the whole video on I just posted it on YouTube.
Oh.
What's your handle? What's your YouTube channel?
Yeah, yo,
It's,
DJ Brian. Wait, no, let me pull it up. So
Why?
you,
Okay, yeah.
I do.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Yes.
We'll watch it later, but I'll pull it up on mine. I don't think I'm so.
Yeah, it is. Last year they had us coded.
No,
Yeah.
we never coded anything.
We did.
They had a project. At the very beginning, they had a React project. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, I never did
Just
that.
like-
I just read through it and I was like, oh, it works great.
Well, that's
I
it seems like you've never done anything,
It's
it
like
seems
so
like
hard.
really hard.
Yes, that was
I
John.
was gonna say.
That was me too.
Yeah.
I couldn't even get my guys go to work.
Yeah.
Which is,
Straight into the deep end.
Yeah.
admittingly, I sort of regret that. Like I was paired with James last year. You know James. James is cracked. So I pull up and James knows what he's doing, and I'm over here like,
No, that's like,
yeah.
no, I mean,
But
there's a lot of things you need to like build up to make it easy.
That's
Yeah.
what we did last year. But then it wasn't even really on when we were.
it was on the first day or second day too. So yeah,
Oh, that was the first weekend.
yeah, or the first week.
It's an interesting
Yeah.
approach. It's like purely into the deep end.
Yeah.
It was like
Yeah, sometimes.
full technical, full design.
But did you learn like
We didn't do.
Yes.
It was at the very end. At the very end, we covered PRD. We did it opposite this year. We wanted to do
like
it
this too.
where we did like your stuff first and then what the tech leads and designers are doing. Because I feel like you can get started early
Yeah.
instead of having to,
Like,
you know.
we did oh, like with our tech, we had like a break, we, like didn't know what to do, and then meet our tech leads and
This is nice because I feel like there's more time for like settle in.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's
Talking
great
with
for
them.
that.
exactly. It's a little more personal. Yeah. And we love all of you guys because our attendance is so much better than what our attendance was last year. So, yeah. Yeah. So, thank you. Thank you. We're trying not to waste your time, even if this feels like a waste of time.
I promise. So much.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
No. I just I feel like food over there. Dash class. do npm install. I ran into the same exact issue. I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something you have to do to get it working that's not in the instructions. Because this project is 3 years old, so.
That
it
makes
doesn't work
sense.
anymore.
Okay, that's what I
Yeah.
thought.
Well, it's
Just-
npm like you have to uninstall node-sass and install sass. Yeah, right? Yeah, just sass. And uninstall node-sass, or it'll keep failing. It's like a version of a package that's like, it's too old that you can't even use it. So npm uninstall.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah. And then node-sass. And then npm install sass. And then it was.
Wait, I can't uninstall.
We need you, Matthew.
Yeah, I know.
Node dash.
Cause I do
And then-
have to do something, but I don't
Yeah,
remember
that's it.
what it was.
And then you just uninstall SA, and then install SAS. Just that, yeah.
That's true.
Right. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think it's-
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does.
That makes sense. I'm looking at that. That's my mic.
Yeah.
Yeah, wanna do floating. Good.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Y'all really want to do my video?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll like and subscribe.
Can we play?
Sure. Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah. Well, actually, I don't know. Maybe we should wait.
Okay. We'll make it 26.
Can we do? Let's finish
The
with
UX.
this stuff first. That way we don't want to keep everybody waiting because there are people that want to leave probably. But
Say,
yeah, let's
we
wait.
can also
And
keep,
then we'll do it.
no, I was gonna say, we can also slides.
If you can help me
Yeah.
refresh to make sure.
Oh, is that one?
One more time. Nope. Oh, no. Okay.
It just
What are you
asks,
looking
right?
for?
Yeah, just install.
Let's see if it updated.
I was gonna say, we can also have them
Did you?
working on this on themselves.
Yeah, and then kind of move on.
They're my two.
I'm working.
And then we
Wait.
can,
Oh, wait, you have the troubleshooting too.
I want to make sure that they get it.
Yes.
I know,
Make
I
sure.
know.
Okay.
So when I did it.
We can
like,
move
I sent them- I
on,
sent them
but like
every
as long as we. Okay.
I was gonna say, if they, we
But
can,
let's see if it works. So I ran it. It said November 10th.
we can give this as homework if they didn't finish it right now.
And
Send us a
back in.
screenshot of them opening the website.
And then it was like.
'Cause I know we have to go through
Actually,
it.
couldn't-
And I don't want this,
Okay.
should I?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it like a couple more minutes.
Okay,
Then
2 more minutes.
Yeah.
Guys, 2 more minutes. If you guys can't get it open, that's okay. That just becomes your homework. And once you do open it and have the to-do list playing in your website, please send us a screenshot so we know you've got it.
Yes.
And very, very important. So yes, we will require it.
Yeah.
Not right this second if we can't get it working,
Exactly.
but we do have to see it. So,
My God, the 8 like tripped me out because ton.
yeah,
The time change.
me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there are a couple more instructions or slides on this in the slideshow. I can add that, well, I can't add that to template anymore, but so if you guys do want to check that out later, yeah.
We can also link it. We'll link it in the PM's chat or something like the slideshow or
The
whatever.
slideshow's in the template, so they should have it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we'll just have this up to date.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Yes, okay, so then we will move into design UX law, because I know we went through the technical stuff, now we wanna give you back kind of like the design knowledge that you should look out for as a PM. What counts as a good design and what are just general like design principles that you should be aware of, so going in,
Well, okay.
oh,
There we go.
design principles, user-centered design. This is kind of the core of PM. You are designing something for your nonprofit, right? When you're approaching your design, always think about how your user is interacting with it. And this kind of ties into all like the principles that we'll be showing you, and you'll have a chance to research that yourself and present it in a bit. So. Wait, oh, iterative design. So continuous testing and refining the design. This kind of goes into the design, like the design process where, of course, kind of like developers, they have their sprint, they have like iterations where when you're designing with your designers, it will still be an iterative design process where you will be testing out how your design is with your nonprofit. So that's also something that we just want to keep you in mind. Iterative design is always something like the core of designing in general. So yes, next one, consistency is key. Like everyone, we have interact with websites, with phones. We know how, like, that's what's a good example? Like consistency in a website.
I don't know. I mean,
The color scheme.
Yes.
The way it looks.
Yes.
Them having like pictures being just squared or
Yes.
rectangle,
Yes.
just
fonts. If
Yeah,
you think about
fonts.
fonts. I
Yeah.
think the app that comes to mind for me is like Duolingo. Think about Duolingo and the theme,
Live it.
yeah.
And kind of thinking
Yeah.
like consistency, even like across different like websites, like when you're logging in, kind of all websites have kind of like similar user flow, right? Like you get to log in with like different emails, buttons. So yeah, those are all consistency. It's very important. The 3-click rule, it's actually something that I like myself emphasize. Simplicity is key. You want to achieve like each of your function ideally in 3-click. I know sometimes it's a more complex system, but like in the design principle, ideally 3 clicks should get you what you need to do. So like let's say you need to take a photo. When you go on your iPhone, you click the phone app, it pops up the camera, you click take photos, and then you see the photos, right? Like that's only taken like 3 clicks. So that's an example. Last one we want to go over with you before you like research it yourself is the importance of white space. I don't know if you guys have seen really bad websites before where they're just very clustered, but sometimes like examples that we can find online. I'm also trying to think of examples
Of awful websites.
Yeah.
That's a tough one.
I
Yeah.
feel like they have updated
We haven't seen them, and there's a reason why we haven't seen them.
here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
bad. Yeah.
Like I don't know where my eyes is going. Like this is kind of like an aesthetic, but it's still like what is the function of this? Like it's not clear to me. So just keep in mind when you're designing, like sometimes it's hard when you're designing, like, oh, I have to fit so many things into like this design page, but really realizing what white space can give like pop up your design. That's something important to keep in mind when you're designing with your designers. Moving on to activities. So with that, if you can
Oh
click
wait,
on the
one more thing.
You're good. Don't worry.
One more thing is white space. Does not, but it's oh yeah. Don't clutter, but also does not mean have like
tons
of white space. You don't want your website to look bare.
Yeah. It's like
It's a balance.
usually a balance, right? Usually these are principles, but we kind of want you to search up like examples that you can
Like
find
here.
too.
Like right here.
Yeah.
White space. It's not literally white, but like white space, right? Like it's sort of like pacing. And then there are cards that are very easily accessible and organized, right? Like this website in and of itself, the laws of UX website is a good example.
Exactly. So in a bit, the activity will be you guys can pair up and go onto this website, like choose one of the law that you want to research more into and finding an example in real websites online that kind of like represent the law that you're researching. So I did an example of Jacob's law. What is Jacob's law? Kind of what I said, consistency is key. Jacob's law states that users spend most of their time on websites so that they would prefer that your site works the same as other similar websites. So your app and site should be consistent both internally and when compared to other apps with similar functions. So kind of examples you can see here, Twitter and X, they both have pretty much like the same left bar, menu pages that you can choose from. You scroll down, universal icons. Whereas Slack and Teams, You have different channels that you can message in and pictures, icons for each user. So that's an example that we put up. And with that, I sent in the Slack channel with the UX Law websites and the design activity slides. When you pair up, feel free to just add a slide to this slide deck already. And oh, you're good. Like you can just basically put what law you're researching and what group and your name, and then make sure that you guys don't do the same ones. There are a lot of laws to choose from. So yeah, and like write a description, find examples of like real life websites to showcase, and we'll do like a presentation around at the end. Probably takes about 2 minutes or so, but you guys get 8 minutes to research and do all of this. So yeah, go for it. Even honestly, like
Yeah, 3 and 3.
3-3?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Go for it. Okay, Brian did it. Sydney did it. Matthew did it. For the most.
That's longer research.
Yeah, I sent it in the PM Slack of like that website that you can choose from. And it's so cool. What's fixed law?
Ooh, wait,
It
what?
tells you like the time to acquire a target is a function of distance. Ooh. The origins.
Wait, this is cool.
I love this website.
It's the one cool
One cool boot camp that they did.
Yeah.
I think I did the law of common reach, or I forgot. But it's like common region creates a clear structure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought they'd give more examples though.
They can research.
It would be, yeah, it would
Yeah, that's true.
like how it applies.
Yeah. Chunking. Process by which individual fees it's a psychology really.
How do you guys' class registrations go?
Mine is Monday.
A little off. Oh,
Yeah.
Well, oh,
Third year.
third year.
I keep forgetting that.
I know.
Yeah.
How did it go?
Mine-
What? Really?
Just the classes that I need aren't offered. Like they don't offer the electives. It's like
They do offer it. One
conflict
time,
the required.
the timing is terrible. The teachers, the good teachers filled up and are already like 20 waitlist.
At least you have
in.
multiple sections. Mine only has one section.
Well, okay, we have a good amount of sections for one of them, but the other one, we have only two, and the timing is literally 4 to 6 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and 6 to 8 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
That's awful.
And I'm like, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
So awful.
The two class.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm taking one of the classes I didn't think I would be taking.
Oh.
Lovely.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, I
Right.
guess.
Oh, do you want to go to the slide?
So,
Yeah, you make a slide in the slide deck. Like we sent this slide deck to you. So in this slide.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, in the
Like-
slide deck.
Yeah, and the slide deck is like
There.
the example.
it should be in the template.
Yes.
I hope you guys can all edit it. Tell us
Yeah, I
if
was
you can.
gonna say, if for some reason you can't, you should be able to edit it, but
I think you should. The link is edited.
yeah.
Yeah, you can edit.
Okay, I'll select it.
Thanks.
Anyway, yeah, pretty much, yeah. That,
I
I need one more major or whatever concentration class.
What are you concentrating?
Entrepreneurship.
Oh, nice.
So I have that.
Yeah.
And I also need one more elective.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one class.
Yeah.
Of all the elective classes in the dogma.
That you
one
want.
out of like 10. No, I'm not even doing like
What is
10
it?
elective.
Yeah.
It's ITP 326.
Oh, that's
But
cool.
I'm not allowed to enroll in it.
Why? Because you're not ITP pre-rec?
I'm
Bruh.
not correct. I'm not ITP. That's why.
Well, I feel like, wait, if it's your tech elective, you
Yeah.
should be allowed to.
You probably just have to.
Yeah, just email, I'll talk to someone.
Maybe I'll email.
You should be able to.
If
If it's in your tech elective, they should let you.
okay.
They might have reserved.
It's not that. It's like reserved seats or something.
You can still apply. It's not a rule. It just, they will favor ITP people first.
Okay, I'll email them. That's a good point. But anyway, there's that, and then the other class, it's like one section, the worst time. Anyway, basically, next quarter is gonna be super easy for me. And then my last quarter, I just have to get like
Couple?
4 classes.
Oh my god. You should plan it out. Like you should, or like you should make sure, like,
Somebody-
yeah, you should actually make sure they are
No,
off.
I'm gonna talk to Pete and be like, I need these.
My
I don't want to
schedule
stay here
booked
extra
out.
hard. I love you, but no. No, I was literally, I had it so well planned out. And then yesterday, because I had it today, oh, nice.
I'm taking 5 classes, but only 14 units, but it's like 2 lab that like takes up 3 hours.
There you go.
3 and
You wanna
3,
see
yeah.
mine?
Yes, it's a crazy too.
Yeah.
I'd show you mine too.
I'm actually scared of my
No
general
one's gonna
vision.
look at mine and be like, you're a CS student. Let me show you.
This is actually like core IE this quarter, that next quarter. It's like ergonomics, Physics 3.
Stop.
operation
You
research.
have to take physics 3?
I have to take all the physics because it's like an engineering.
Industrial engineering?
Yeah,
Really?
I know. It's just
That's-
because it's an engineering degree, we have to.
So for all engineers, you have.
Yeah, everyone takes
Wow.
at least one chem and all physics.
That is disgusting.
Yeah.
Well, this is this.
Oh,
This is this.
wow, that's actually kind of cool. Every day you are,
9 a.m.
yeah, 9 a.m. to 11.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Yeah. What?
Wait for what? For spring?
Next, yeah, for winter.
For winter.
Beginning modern day? Oh,
Literally, I have one CS.
gender? What? Boy? Okay, there we go.
So no one would look at this and be like, you're a CS student. Because I have one class at CS, other correspondence classes, and then my ES.
That's me. That's basically me next quarter, and then spring is just gonna be hell.
I mean,
Yeah.
Are you guys done? Okay.
Project and possibly attack collective. I
I hate this one.
look, she's not actually. I was ordering weekend.
That's so nice. Are you guys? Okay, perfect. We'll start presenting and then we get to leave early. Hopefully. All right, selective attention. Ooh.
You guys?
yeah.
Go for it.
Oh.
Yeah, just present it.
Yeah, you can
it's
just
fine.
talk about it. It's fine.
So the,
Unless you guys want to come up here.
well, I guess we can all see it up there.
Yeah.
Selective attention is about, us generally gravitating towards the information that's relevant for whatever task we're trying to do. So
Mhm.
if you're reading this slide, you'd probably be looking at the image and the bullet points. And let's say you had like a banner text at the bottom like we do, that's probably one of the last things that you'll see and pay a lot of attention to.
Mhm.
Yeah, you probably saw like the bolded word.
There's a text.
And the image. Yeah, all the way at the bottom.
Oh, surprise.
Yeah.
Oh,
Selective attention.
oh, that's so good. Nice.
Jokes on us.
Yeah, jokes on us. Okay.
There we go.
Yes.
You don't have like a photo jump scare of We did the law of common region that
Mhm.
basically says that if elements are placed in a region that's clearly differentiated from the regions around it,
Mm-hmm.
it will be perceived that the elements in that area are more similar
Mm-hmm.
and that they're meant to be grouped.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for example, like if you go on the Amazon website and you want to purchase something, when you click that item, the add to cart and the buy buttons are like right next to it and they're in the same category because it kind of is similar thing. It kind of indicates that you want to purchase that item.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's the law of combination. It's just that they're in the same area, like they all belong together.
Love it.
Nice, guys.
Oh, I guess no pictures. But yes, thank you guys. And I guess logistics with designers.
Yeah, that's so I think I mentioned it to everybody, but if you didn't get the memo, biggest next step, aside from making sure that the call happens, which I know a lot of you have already done, so thank you. We're gonna get you guys your designers ASAP. We've talked to Sabrina, who's the head of design, She says that we're gonna get designers by the end of next week. So once we fill out that, you guys will get your designers, and then obviously you can actually meet with the primary people that you'll be working with. And that's basically like your kickoff. Like once you have your designers, you can hit the ground running.
Yep.
Start making user flows, start,
PRD,
PRD, you can start making timelines, like
Lo-fi.
delegating to your exactly lo-fi.
user research.
Exactly. Like it's the floor is yours. So
We're gonna start
yeah.
bi-weekly checking with you guys
Yeah.
too.
that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll send out something once especially once the designers are assigned to you guys, we'll send out like sometime, I don't know if it'll be a when to meet, but we'll send a message to you guys to start bi-weekly check-ins.
You'll probably get individual messages from your advisors, which is
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly. And we'll reach out to you and just it'll be just like check-ins both for yourself, but then also just to see like how can we support you?
Mhm.
Like are your tech leads ghosting you? Let's hope not, right?
Okay.
So or is your nonprofit ghosting? So
Mhm.
yeah. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, aside from that, the general meeting is next week.
Yes.
Oh.
So
Thursday.
Are we doing any more of this stuff?
Next week, boot camp.
yes, so we've talked about that.
Yes.
So after the general meeting, so
Which is
it's
from 6 to 7 p.m. We highly recommend you guys to come.
Yeah.
If you can. We will be introducing the nonprofits to the entire club. The developers who will be chosen this Sunday will be there. The designers hopefully will be there. Tech leads will be there.
Yeah.
We'll be introducing the nonprofits. We'll be calling out your guys' names. Be like, this PM, these tech leads and these designers. Hopefully we have the designers by then. We'll be working on this project. And if you guys know developers who are friends and want to work with you guys, they will fill out a preference forms like you guys did.
Yeah.
So, but it is during our boot camp time. Hence, we had a couple of ideas of how to do boot camp.
Okay, yeah. That's not where my mind was going, but yeah. Well, yeah,
That
long story
we're-
short, she already said it, but yeah. General meeting next week during this time, so please go if you can. After that, so like we were thinking 7 to 7:30. The only thing that we haven't covered with you guys, which Matthew asked a good question earlier, is the timeline, like general timeline for you guys. Like, hey, for development, for design, what should I expect to give, to delegate to my tech leads, to delegate to my designers to say, this is when I need this by, like, basically, can we provide you guys with that template? The answer is yes. We have something pre-made for you. We weren't going to go over it now because we don't have time.
We kind of went over it in week 3, I think.
A little,
But it wasn't.
but it wasn't
too
done. So
in-depth.
we're going to do it then. We'll do it after the general meeting, and then after that, that's pretty much what we have for the boot camp. So you basically just assigning teams, general meeting, and giving you guys a timeline because that's what you'll need after you have your team. So,
Any questions? Yeah. So it'd be like a 30-minute boot camp, and then
Would it be here?
it would be.
Or should we just meet?
We should not.
We should
Yeah,
not.
I don't like that. So by the way, in case you guys don't know, so it'll be in the silo.
in the bit.
The general meeting will be in the business silo. I say we just meet up after. And if you
Right
aren't
outside.
planning on going to the general meeting, meet us at, and we'll send out a message for this, meet us at the silo at 7. I like that. And then if everybody clears out, we can just meet there. If not, then we can like do something small in like a classroom right next to it. Because we don't want to make you walk that far. So
We don't want to walk all the way here. Yeah, any logistics wise, that's it. And then
that's it. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
thank you.
Oh my God, time flew.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then just keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great with your nonprofit.
Yay.
We have a
Wait, did you guys not go over the timeline?
Oh, you're.
We did. We both did.
Okay, yeah, we did. Okay.
Right. But it wasn't
Very good.
I feel like here. I feel you did. I feel like
I didn't go over it. I kind of
we,
like said,
yeah, we didn't really go over
For
this.
this.
I would
I kind
say
of just like briefly went over it.
because I think this time we should really sit them down and be like,
This is what
this is what you need, and like kind of maybe giving us like our own advice. Because like I want to tell them honestly they need to leave May as like testing.